So we got food, and we got a temple that's we're gonna come up on in a minute. So let's go right up here. We're gonna go up these steps. Lots of steps to walk on in the city. And there's a cool temple over there. Let's go see what this is all about. Yeah, pretty interesting city though. I could see the temple from afar, but now that I'm Chongqing Medical University. Okay. Let's see if we can go up here and take a look around. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay. All right, let me just go down this way first. Wow, what a cool looking road. Now you can see, I'm just gonna show you. Dang. Whew. Dang, this is the Vertigo City. Look at all the buildings too. Dang, it's so crazy. Whoop. Dang. Okay. Look at all this space. Wow. Can't believe this. I didn't expect this. These look like they're something under. I don't know, for some reason there's like kind of under repair a little bit. Or not under, it's like, I don't know, it's funny. Oh, there's like nobody up here. And we can walk over to the sides because this is basically like on this big long peninsula. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. I didn't expect this at all. Kids are just kind of running and playing. I didn't expect this at all. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna show you the view in a minute. I'm gonna walk it over there. Okay, so now we just walked over to this side and dang, there's still like, dang, what the heck? Man, there's like buildings all over the place. I thought we were at the side already. Look at that. We're gonna walk down this way. Oh, that's crazy. We're already so high up there already. Now we're walking down this little path and there's like, wow, this is crazy. I just can't believe how high up we are and how there's so many tall buildings that are so much higher than us that are all over the place. And there's like a little garden here. Man, this is crazy. I just didn't expect this. And now over here there's like more stuff. Oh, it's crazy. And there's the river right there. There's a ship in there. Dang, there's all those buildings over there too. Just non-stop buildings and a big beautiful river. Dang, I didn't realize we were this high up as well. Man, that's crazy. That's so crazy because we're like way up, like there's like 2 rivers here, 3 rivers, and we're kind of up on this thing and we're overlooking and we're like way up there. Man, just had no idea. Okay. Gonna walk back across this bridge. This bridge looks kind of like not, it's just like a little suspension bridge, but it's like way up there already. Dang. I just can't believe that we're... Man, look at that. Just all these tall buildings absolutely everywhere. This city is vertical. My lord. I can't get my head around it. Because you know, this city, nobody talks about this city. Nobody even knows about it. But you got all this like crazy stuff everywhere. My lord, and look how tall. Like these people that live in these buildings up here, you're like just constantly looking up. Okay, so now we're over on this side. It's not as high because this goes way down the hill down there. So when you're way down there, it goes down quite a bit. Yeah, I don't know. It's just crazy, man. This is insane. And this one is under repair. Looks like it's just kind of been like left alone for some reason. All right, we're gonna go explore more, but I just wanted to get up here and just see what that was. And this was quite an interesting little find. Dang, amazing. Okay, we're just gonna do some pretty cool little stuff right here. So we're gonna put some salt in there. I think maybe he's gonna let's see what he does. A little bit of that in there. That's, I don't know what it all is, but we're gonna find out. Pretty cool little area though. Get some. I think this is two. Okay. This is only two yuan. This is gonna taste really good. The cuisines here is just amazing. He's gonna give me a toothpick, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna be enjoying this in a minute, so this is kind of where we're at right now. Also have little tiny chairs. Okay, we're walking down in more coolness. Got some greenery going downhill. Got food markets everywhere. There's a river down there. So we're gonna see what we can see. Tall buildings everywhere. Man. Okay. All these buildings. Completely surrounded. Got a giant orange here. I'm gonna walk through this little thing as well. We're gonna walk up this way. I just kind of want to see this other side here. I can't see it from there. Could see the river, but I guess you don't. Maybe right in this spot right here. There it is. See the river down there. We're kind of walking downhill now. Wow. It's like a little thing right there. You can see a little green. I don't know what that is. It's kind of got some interesting stuff everywhere. It's kind of looking down on stuff all the time or looking up. But you also have all the... Man, I don't know. I keep putting the camera kind of all over the place, but it's because the city has a lot of... like you don't just look lateral, you look up and down all the time in this city. Yeah, I really like it a lot. Wow. How big those windows are. I bet the city is cheap to live in too. Little outdoor Sichuan food there. Spicy. Wow. Man, I just can't get over how cool this city is. Yeah, actually that one you can overlook that and just kind of, you're always overlooking something. Lots of greenery. Kind of reminds me of Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh has a lot of green trees everywhere because of the mountains. You just can't put things on every inch because there's so much mountains everywhere. Oh, look at that. It's like a canopy of green and then it just kind of goes up, all the way up like that. And that other building over there, that one is, see that one right there? That one looks kind of old, like it hasn't been painted in a long time. Yeah, I don't know. A lot of interesting stuff everywhere here.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.